Sometimes I'm considered to be a little too picky and have been known as, Nancy Neat. That's just me. Hi, my name's Luanne. This is my husband, Jim, and we're customers of Joyland Roofing. I really love my house, and that's why we are so cautious of anybody that we have and hire to do anything in our house.
Yeah, it's obvious that there's pride in performance and pride in the accomplishment of the job.
Oh, we were extremely happy. In fact, we even had a comment from the president of the HOA. She emailed me or texted me and said, "Your roof looks lovely." So we were very happy with it, and the crew did a phenomenal job. They were, we have a very large roof, and they accomplished putting it on in 2 days. And my husband has a lot of plants, and he was very concerned that some of them would get damaged, and they tended everything, and so there was no damage. That was a big concern of ours, and also that there would be no damage to our deck and just, the house in general. And like I said, the cleanup was very good.
If you're thinking of hiring Joyland, I think you can be very assured that the job will be done competently, efficiently, and within reasonable cost expectations, and you'll be happy with the final product.